Hello friends, Mehjabin here. Today I'm going to talk about the sounds of birds and animals. I will also show you how to frame a sentence using each of these sound words. So let's get started. So as you can see, this chart is about the sounds of birds and animals, and on the left hand side we have the names of animals and birds, and on the right hand side we have the sounds. Apes gibber, bats screech, bears growl, bees hum, or you can say bees buzz, birds chirrup, birds chirp, birds twitter, birds tweet, birds sing, birds whistle. Calves bleat, calves bawl. Camels grunt, cats mew, cats purr, cats meow, cats hiss, cats yowl. Cattle moo, cattle low. Bull bellow, chicks cheep. Now let us look into how sentences can be framed by using each of these sound words. An ape gibbering down the tree took me by surprise. In the middle of the night, I woke up to the screeching of a bat outside my house. The two friends pretended to be dead when they saw a growling bear emerging from a cave. I fell asleep to the humming of bees. Do you see a pair of blue birds twittering in the sky? The newborn calves were bleating all through the night. I stood watching as a long trail of grunting camels passed by. The yowl of our neighbor's cat has been disturbing me all through the night. The farmer sat down for lunch while his cattle lowed outside. The bellow of your bulls woke me up at the crack of dawn. Nothing pleases me more than the cheep of these newly hatched chicks. Chickens cluck, chickens cackle, cocks crow, cows low, cows moo, crickets chirp, crows caw, deer bell, dogs bark, dogs growl, dogs whimper, dogs howl, dolphins click, donkeys bray, doves coo, ducks quack, fish splash. The distant cackle of country chickens warmed my heart. This is one sentence. Now we look into more sentences. I began to suspect that my neighbor's cock was dead when it stopped crowing. The children get enthusiastic every time they hear their cow low. Do you hear the crickets chirping? I think autumn has arrived. Crows caw continuously when they are hungry. The bell of a deer gave us the indication that there was a tiger lurking nearby. Your dog is whimpering. I think that it is hurt. I spotted a pair of dolphins clicking from the surface of the water. The donkey began to bray the moment it saw its master approaching. Silently, I listened to the sound of a pair of doves cooing beneath the ceiling. The ducks quacked loudly while my father fetched them out of the water. I sat by the river and watched the shoals of fish splashing about. Now we come to the next set of animals and birds. Eagles scream. Elephants trumpet. Elephants roar. Flies buzz. Flies hum. Foxes bark. Foxes yelp. Foxes simper. Frogs croak. Giraffes bleat. Goats bleat. Geese cackle. Geese quack. Geese honk. Grasshoppers chirp. Hamsters squeak. Hares squeak. Zebras whinny. Zebras nicker. Zebras neigh. Now we look into some more sentences. The screams of a pair of eagles frightened the child and it ran indoors. As I approached the lake, I heard the trumpet of some wild elephants. Flies were seen buzzing around in the busy marketplace. All of a sudden, a fox appeared from beneath the bush, yelping ceaselessly. On rainy evenings, I love to hear the sound of frogs croaking. I have never heard a giraffe bleating. The goats bleated loudly as the farmer dragged them indoors. The honk of a pair of wild geese cheered me up. My grandmother loves to sit in the yard and listen to the chirp of grasshoppers. All night, the hamsters squeaked inside the cage. The hares squeaked as they darted about. The constant nicker of the old zebra made the zookeeper wonder if it was ill. Some more animals and birds with their sounds. Hens cackle, hens cluck, hogs grunt, horses neigh, horses snort, horses whinny, horses nicker, hummingbirds hum, hyenas laugh, hyenas scream, jackals howl, kangaroos cartel, koalas scream, koalas bellow, koalas wail, lambs bleat, larks sing, larks warble, lions roar, lions growl, wolves howl, wolves cry, wolves yell. The cackle of our hens woke me up from my afternoon nap. I am tired of the continuous grunt of those hungry hogs. The angry horse snorted and snickered before galloping away. The low hum of the hummingbirds mesmerized me. The sudden laugh of a hyena gave me a shock. You will hear the sound of jackals howling all through the night. Kangaroos chortled as they hopped about in the rain. The wail of a partially burnt koala nearly broke my heart. The photographer took pictures of the lambs bleating from the hill. The warble of the larks brought a smile to her lips. The roar of the lions drove away the audience from the circus. The hungry wolves yelled all night. Mice squeak, mice squeal. Monkeys chatter, monkeys gibber. Monkeys whoop, monkeys screech. Mosquitoes whine, mosquitoes buzz. Nightingales pipe, nightingales sing, nightingales warble. Ostriches chirp, ostriches bark, ostriches hiss. Owls hoot, owls scream, owls screech, owls shriek. Oxen bellow, Parrots talk, parrots screech, parrots squawk, peacocks scream, pigs snort, pigs grunt, pigs squeal, pigs oink, pigeons coo, rabbits squeak, rabbits drum. So let's look into some more sentences. It's impossible to live in a house full of squeaking mice. I fed the monkeys 24 bananas to stop their noisy chatter. I heard the sound of mosquitoes buzzing outside the net. The song of the nightingale gladdened the king's heart. The ostriches rushed out of the van, barking all the while. Owls hoot in our backyard all through the summer. The oxen bellowed while being driven out of the field. I often visit my friend's house to listen to the screech of his parrots. It was wonderful to watch a pair of white peacocks screaming in the rain. The pig snorted loudly when I tried to catch hold of it. I often hear pigeons cooing when I wake up early in the morning and go for a walk. Mother was certainly not in the mood to buy all those squeaking rabbits. Rats squeak, ravens croak, rhinoceros bellow, rooster crow, seagulls scream, seagulls squawk, seals bark, sheep bleat, snakes hiss, tigers growl, tigers roar, turkeys gobble, vultures scream, whales sing. The rats squeaked while I released them from the rat trap. Ravens are croaking high up in the air. The sight of the visitors alarmed the rhinoceros and it bellowed loudly. The thief got nervous on hearing the sudden crow of a rooster and darted away. I enjoyed the company of screaming seagulls. The seals barked when the filmmaker advanced towards them. The shepherd was in no mood to take care of all those bleating sheep. The cobras hissed continuously and we all went crazy listening to the sounds. The old tiger is growling in the woods. Have you ever heard the gobble of turkeys? The vulture screamed as they hovered over the dead animal. The distant sound of singing whales prompted the sailor to change the course of his ship. That's all for today. Meet you again very soon. Bye.